Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of HEINE made pocket otoscope. The model number is Mini 3000. The reference number is D00170110. This is a yellow light fiber optic otoscope. It is not LED. This is yellow light halogen bulb they have provided. So this is how we are going to open. There is no fixture or seals provided. You can easily open the box, and you can see it comes with this is the main device and this is the specula, and they have provided two user manuals, one for handle and one for head. This is how the product comes. Like, the product does not comes with batteries. You have to buy the batteries separately from the market. So we have taken some batteries. You have to put the alkaline batteries inside. To put the batteries, you have to open the bottom end of the handle. You have to insert the positive side inside of the handle. Both the cell has to be, or batteries has to be go inside with the positive, and negative will be on the top. You have to close the lid by rotation, and you can see the model number is also provided on the head. This is fiber-optic halogen otoscope. This is not LED, so the light will be of yellow color. You can see this is the yellow color light. The window is openable, and this fiber-optic is having benefit that there will be no obstacles of the standard lamp, so you can see the eardrum properly through this otoscope, and you can rotate this window, and this is how the device sees from the all end. Thank you for watching.